Hi, my name's Anthony from QMetrix. Welcome to today's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. Today, we're going to explore a game changer that's going to revolutionize how you interact with your adaptive planning data, the writeback function in OfficeConnect. This feature enables you to directly submit data edits from your OfficeConnect reports straight into adaptive planning without ever leaving Excel. Before we jump into the demo, a quick note on getting started. You'll need two things. First, ensure you've installed the latest version of the OfficeConnect add-in. And second, confirm you have the writeback from external sources permission enabled. Once those are set, you'll see that shiny new writeback button here in your OfficeConnect ribbon. Alright, let's see this in action. Here I have an OfficeConnect report open. Notice the data here matches the data in our adaptive sheet. To begin updating Adaptive, I'll select the rows or columns with the data I want to modify and click the writeback button in the OfficeConnect ribbon. See how OfficeConnect highlights cells that can be written back to in yellow? This is crucial. You can only edit and submit changes at the lowest granularity, as is the case within Adaptive. Let's make a change. I'll update this value here to $100. Notice how it turns blue? Just like in an adaptive planning sheet, this indicates an unsaved change. And yes, you can use Excel's native functions as well. For example, you can copy and paste, as I'm doing here. We can also use any formulas that you like, but for now I will just use a simple formula where I add $100 to whatever the value is in the Melbourne to Brisbane route. And then when you finish editing, you can simply click on the Submit button. And just like that, your changes are pushed directly back into adaptive planning. It's that seamless. Finally, it's important to note that the writeback function only works for your planning data, so your actuals cannot be changed by mistake. That's everything we wanted to show you today. You can now start leveraging the power of writeback to streamline your planning process.
Do you need help with Workday Adaptive Planning? QMetrix provides a health check to assess and optimize your adaptive planning instance. For more information, contact us using the details provided below.